3, 2, 1. Ooh. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing some more line of sight with this massive Xclass beast. But first, I just want to mention this quad giveaway that I'm going to be doing. This is recently what I built, the cheapest quad worth building. In my mind, it's about but anywhere between $150 and $180 build. This is a 6S racer. I just did a build video on it. And I just wanted to bring attention that I did make a new Patreon page, and if you wish to support the channel on there, you'll be entered to win this giveaway as well as upcoming giveaways. So I just wanted to quickly mention that. So back to the Xclass. Obviously, if you guys saw my other video, which, you know, it's got a lot of views right now, so you probably did. This is the same exact machine. We have the iFlight IXC15 frame, still 950 millimeters. It does have 850 millimeters arms coming soon, though. The iFlight, they're 4214, 400 kV motors, master air screw 13x12 tri-blades, Sussex 80 amp ESCs, Sussex PDB flight controller. Now we also did just go ahead and added a micro foul core up front and a TBS Unify there. And now the biggest change, obviously, let me see if I can get this so we can see it, is these LEDs on the arms here. Hopefully you can see these are actually custom LEDs. That TinysLEDs made up for this rig. They run off direct 8S voltage, so off of 35 volts. They do not run off the 5 volts. And you can see we have this really cool sort of triad pattern. And these aren't currently available. However, if you guys do have Xclass and you are interested in 8S or 12S LEDs, make sure you leave a comment down below so we can see if there's enough interest to be able to make these if you guys are interested in buying them. So if you are interested, you have Xclass and you want 8S or 12S LEDs similar to these, leave a comment down below. And now, boom, look at that. We actually did go ahead and wire up. This has, you can't see it, it's smushed in there, but we have a TinysLEDs PDB that uses pin IO. It's basically the same idea as a pit switch. So it's off right now, and then when we flip the switch, we have it set up in the resources. It sends it 3.3 volts, and it turns the PDB on, allowing all the voltage to go to the LEDs. And now I do have two on each arm. Hopefully you can see we have blue up front on both sides and orange in the rear. And all up together, they pull about a 2 amps. So it's not too bad at all. So let's just go ahead and start flying this guy. It's about 8 p.m. right now. I tried to get a time that wasn't too dark, but not too bright. I know the camera's gonna struggle with the LEDs here. Let's go ahead and bring it out. I am running the same two 5500 4S packs for 8S 5500 as I was before. Hopefully you're gonna see. We actually test flew this thing last night at about 1 a.m. and I had to wear sunglasses because in pitch black it's just so bright. Right now it looks super nice. This is the perfect time where they're really bright, but it doesn't actually hurt your eyes. That's how bright they are. These should be perfect for bright sunlight as well. I don't know about you guys, but these LEDs just take this quad to a whole nother level. Especially probably on camera. I know it's all black props. You guys probably have a hard time seeing it. Even for me, flying it with the orientation can be a little hard against the backdrop of trees, but these LEDs just look sick. This iFlight build holding up great. So far, no issues. Look at that. This thing just funnels like nobody's business. With the added LEDs and FPV gear, it weighs just about 7 pounds. So it's pretty light compared to most Xclass rigs. Most Xclass come anywhere from 8 to 10 pounds. sounds amazing. I think I just chopped the moth up. I heard something hit the prop. It's definitely not any wiring. There's nothing even close to the props. Need an effing chat for that moth. Look at those LEDs. Oh yeah. Cruising. Favorite part about the Xclass, 100%, is the sound. Just, oh, it's so satisfying. Alright, that's probably going to just about do it for these batteries. Pushing on them pretty hard. Let's go ahead and do the hand catch with the LEDs. Oh yeah, these batteries are pretty warm. Wow, look at that. Go ahead and set this guy down, and then of course, you don't want to blind yourself or waste battery. Boom, turn them off with pin IO there. Let's feel the motor temperature. Actually, they're pretty warm. It's about 65 degrees out right now, so a little cooler for them. ESC is still barely warm. This is probably the warmest I ever got the batteries, but I did run them pretty low. And the VTX, tons of cooling throughout the carbon on top as well. It's all this airflow, and also this is just temporary. How I have that pigtail zip tied. I'm gonna make a 3D print TPU to screw in here, which I'll also upload to Thingiverse if you have this frame and you want to use later. So yep, that's gonna do it for the second line of sight video with this guy, with these incredible 8S LEDs from TinysLEDs. Once again, if you are interested in Xclass LEDs, make sure to leave a comment down below just so we can gauge interest, as well as if you wish to help support the channel and videos like this. Obviously, this stuff is not cheap. I'll leave a link to my Patreon. It's really appreciated, and we're doing that quad giveaway if you wish to help there. So obviously, I'll leave links down below to all this gear from iFlight. This is performing really well on 8S, and now, before I crash it, let's take this thing to International Open Multi-GP and we'll see how it does. So yep, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.